Ignore the mess in my room. I'm really trying not to make these videos really repetitive because I'm aware that like I pretty much do the same thing every single day that I vlog. But anyway, I thought I'd vlog today. It's not gonna be like super productive day, but I just have some different stuff I want to do. I've started a new job, so I have some training things I have to do for that, because I have a day off today because it's a bank holiday, so that's fun. I want to film a video to go up on Wednesday because I'm working all next week. Yeah, I don't really know what the day's gonna hold, to be honest. I kind of want to bake something, so I'm not sure what we'll bake. So I think right now I've just eaten my breakfast. I made toast with like garlicky peppery mushrooms, which are honestly the one. They're so good, I could eat them all day long, and baked beans, and that has been like my favourite breakfast just when I have a bit more time and days when I'm not working. I'm going to FaceTime Lucy now. I'm going to FaceTime her and see if she answers, and yeah, see what today holds. Hey sister!
Hey!
I'm
I didn't know because what?
I'm vlogging.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is literally like about 2:45 and I've just got off FaceTime with Lucy, so I've been on FaceTime with Lucy for like a good couple of hours, but yeah, so I think this is going to be a slightly less productive day than I had planned, but you know what, that's fine. Some days are productive and some days are not, and that's okay. Anyway, I really want to bake something, like I said, so I really want like something chocolatey, so I'm gonna make a chocolate cake, like a vegan chocolate fudge cake, which I will link the recipe for down below, but yes, I'm gonna go do that now. I'm just sitting in my parents' bedroom because it's the only place with good Wi-Fi, and I thought I would update you guys while my cake is, I just took it out of the oven, so while it's cooling I'm doing a little shop, and to be honest with you, the funds are low at the moment, so chances are some of this stuff won't actually even end up being purchased, but it's just a lot of fun, like going through. So I just thought I would show you guys that because it's actually so fun. I love going through the vegan kind of supermarket. Anyway, I just thought I'd show you guys that because it's fun and I'm kind of nosy and I like seeing what other people are buying. whiles. So I think it's kind of been a while since I like spoke to you, checked in. I'm currently chilling in bed because we're doing a family quiz later and I have to make, I'm doing a round which is like Irish translation, but like Northern Irish things and Irish names and stuff, because my family are English, so they all always laugh at like wee things that I say and me and my mum say and stuff, because we're like Northern Irish. So anyway, I have to make like a PowerPoint for that, so I'm just gonna do that now. But still update on the other events of the day. Basically the Vegan Kind supermarket website is down, so I couldn't add anything to my basket, so that's why I didn't end up actually really showing you any of that. And then I iced my cake, which you saw, and I made dinner. So me and my mum made, it was kind of like a team effort tonight. So we had spaghetti with meatballs, but like they were vegetables, so it was like peas and sweet corn and lentils and stuff, and I made like a tomato sauce with veggies in it. So I knew that was dinner, and then we had some cake for dessert. I am so tired. I really never nap, but I very much could nap right now, but I can't. I have to do this PowerPoint. So anyway, I'm gonna do this, and then I guess by then it'll probably be time to do the quiz, to be honest. So I was gonna say it's a bit later now. It's a lot later now. It's almost 11:30, which is so late. I normally go to bed at like 10:30, so I'm really tired. But we did our family quiz and it was really fun. We had some snacks and I had a drink and it was just lovely. And it's nice to catch up with everyone, and I think I put a clip in of me doing my round, which was the wee Irish round, which was a lot of fun because my family are all English, so they had to pronounce some Irish names, try and translate some Northern Irish Belfast slang. I enjoyed myself. I'm not sure if they did, but I did anyway. So yeah, we did that, and I'm gonna get ready for bed, and then I'm gonna get into bed and edit this video because it needs to go up tomorrow morning, so that means it needs to upload overnight tonight. So it's 11:30. I'm going to start editing this video now. I just really want to get it up for you guys tomorrow. So today was a horrendously unproductive day. I was supposed to tidy my room, which I didn't do. I was supposed to do online courses for my job, which I didn't do, and I was supposed to film a video, which I didn't do. And you know what? That's okay, because some days just are unproductive and sometimes you need it. So today was a bit of a lazy day, to be honest, but that's alright. So take this if you are watching this video and you feel like you're forcing yourself to be productive and you're really tired and you just need a day where you don't do a whole lot, then this is your sign, and I'm giving you permission to do that if you feel like you need permission. But anyway, so I'm going to head to bed now, while I'll sit in bed and edit this video and then go to sleep. so hopefully it won't take me too long. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and leave me a comment. I reply to all of your comments, so I love hearing from you. And yeah, I really hope you're having a good day, a good week, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. I hope you're having a good one. Love you lots. Bye.